Don't absorb my TP, you fuck. Does this one absorb your food or eat your food? Or should I even bother?
It can dispel. It's got like full.
Alright, Chief XI, he's a turtle. But I took a little walk around and it's not up, so in case you wanted the TOD at some point. And Booger Balls is logged in also.
So it's around now.
Well, I can stay around here if you want for the TOD, but
If you want to.
yeah, well, but you know, or do you want my samurai to help over there? that's the thing.
Both. Somehow.
Make it work, Talia.
We need to nuke that shield off.
Yeah, I'll wait like 5 minutes and then I'll head there. Maybe it will pop this window then. Because also Sonny just logged in.
Shield is up again.
All right. Opening light.
Oh, sorry. You guys still got that?
Oh, Hat was asleep.
Yeah.
There's a berserker still.
It's got shields up right now. I don't know if you can stun through the shield or not. Be right back.
Opening light.
Back.
So you guys are doing the word I can't say. Maybe. What are you guys up to?
You can't say ZNM?
No. Oh, is that what it is? No, I meant the Valhalla sounding word. Jar.
We do that tonight.
That's at 8:30.
Thank you.
It's like in 3 hours.
Do you guys need help with your ZNN?
Another black mage doesn't hurt.
Ew, God, disgusting.
Where do I go for this?
I don't want any of that.
Well, fat. I didn't want any of you.
She looks cool, if that's any consolation for you.
Does look cool. And we're already amnesia, so. That's...
You have amnesia?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't.
The hell?
I think that's a conal, maybe.
Elegy has no effect on her.
I can't slow it either.
Isn't she a ranger anyway?
It's
Oh,
auto attacks. I think.
Do you use light or dark on these dudes? Light, probably. Yeah, even it doesn't matter.
I think it amnesia.
Check the day, check the weather. Thundaga 3.
Alright, I'm
anyway.
just gonna.
Right, Dowser? just thunder. Open with burst 2, whatever.
You got it.
This motherfucker's
I
tanky.
got 10. I got 10 seconds on the amnesia.
Oh, there's all the friends. Oh god.
There we go.
Oh shit.
I wonder if we can just aga them down.
Can you light
Not
sleep?
anything.
I don't think you can sleep with. I mean, I can aga them and try to.
Combine them.
Yeah, resisted my sleep.
They're beating the fuck out of somebody.
Did we have a strategy on these?
Currently,
So
I think
far,
it's
no.
die.
Well, one of those is bound and just sitting there beating someone. So
We
I
gotta
have
draw.
one bound, but
That-
it's smacking on someone.
I'm gonna just try to take them away. I'm probably gonna.
Should we just go ham on this thing?
You should try to get
That's what
hers
I'm
dead
doing.
as soon as possible.
Alright, okay, going for it.
At some point, I'm gonna pick up blood aggro. I'm sure.
Oh fuck. Edu, you might have made me hit this. Ah, you
What?
bitch!
What?
I got stunned.
oh.
Well, you tried. It's all up.
Oh,
Yeah.
there went my blink. So next will be this. The
All right.
stone.
Yeah, just send every nuke if you're alive.
How's she doing?
Almost dead. Well,
Yeah,
30%.
Wow.
I'm sure I'm
More
gonna.
dead than not.
I'm sure.
17 though.
Teague's gonna die.
Sacrifice I'm willing to take.
I like Teague. He just frustrates me.
There went my stones.
It's almost dead. It's dead.
All right, I think I have a
We got-
draw
Oh, they
on.
stay up.
They should disappear.
Oh yeah, probably not until her body.
Yeah, just don't. The Draugr though,
I
we
got
need to
you.
kill.
buddy. I got you.
Grip, sir, free lot. Ah,
There you go.
Oh wait, I'm weakened. Why did I invoke that? Help!
No. Learn your lesson.